If you want to download photos from OneDrive, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you're saving a single picture or downloading an entire batch of photos, OneDrive makes it easy once you know where to click. This is especially helpful if you need to back up memories, move files to your computer, or share images offline. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to OneDrive and signing in with your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, enter your email and password, then complete any security checks if prompted. Once you're inside your OneDrive account, you'll see your files and folders displayed on the screen. Now, look for the folder that contains the photos you want to download. This could be a recent uploads folder, a personal album, or any directory where your images are stored. Open that folder so you can see the individual photo files. If your photos are spread across different folders, take a moment to locate the exact ones you need before moving on. Next, select the photo or photos you want to download. If you only need one image, click it once to highlight it. If you want several photos, hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each photo. You can also use the Select option if OneDrive gives you a checkbox view. Make sure you've selected everything you want before continuing, because the download will only include the files you choose. Once your photos are selected, look at the top of the page for the Download button. Click that button to begin the download process. OneDrive will prepare the files and start saving them to your device. If you selected multiple photos, OneDrive may compress them into a zip file, which is completely normal. That just means the photos are bundled together so they can download faster and stay organized. If your browser asks where you want to save the file, choose the folder location on your computer that makes the most sense for you. For example, you might save it to your Downloads folder, Pictures folder, or a desktop folder for easy access. After choosing the save location, confirm the download and wait for it to finish. The time it takes will depend on the number and size of the photos as well as your internet speed. When the download is complete, open the folder on your computer and check that the photos have been saved successfully. If you downloaded a zip file, you may need to extract it first to view the images inside. Once extracted, your photos will be ready to use, edit, or move wherever you need them. And that's it. You've now learned how to download photos from OneDrive in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.